Most students think making money while studying is impossible, but here's the truth. Your first $10,000 is closer than you realize. And once you hit it, your whole mindset about money and success changes forever. Today, I'll show you how students just like you are making their first $10,000, starting with zero experience, zero funding, and just a laptop or phone. Stick around until the end because the last method is the one I used myself when I was broke at 18, and it completely changed my life. Part 1. Why $10,000 matters. Let's be real. Everyone dreams of becoming rich, buying cars, traveling the world. But before you can do any of that, you need to hit your first $10,000. Why? Because that first milestone isn't just about money. It's about confidence. It's proof that you can create money outside of a job. Once you do it once, you can repeat it again and again at bigger levels. When I was 18, I was flat broke, no job, no savings. But the moment I made my first $10,000, I realized, wait, money isn't this impossible thing. It's just a skill. And if you learn the skill, you can change your entire future. Part 2, business versus services. So how do you get there? You basically have two main paths: running a business, selling products, drop shipping, or e-commerce. Selling services, offering skills online. Now, running a business is exciting, but it takes time, money, and testing. If you're a student just starting, the fastest and easiest way to make your first $10,000 is through services. Why? Because you don't need inventory, you don't need big investments, you just need Wi-Fi. And the profit margins are insane, sometimes 70 to 80%. Part 3, the best student services. Here are the top 3 services students are using to hit their first $10,000. Copywriting. If you can write, you can sell. Businesses need ads, emails, and sales pages. Learn the basics of persuasive writing and you can charge hundreds per project. Video editing. Everyone from YouTubers to small businesses needs editors. You don't need Hollywood skills. Just cut clips, add captions, and make content look clean. Students are charging $20 to $50 an hour starting out. Social media management. If you know how to use Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, you can get paid to run pages for brands. They'll pay you $300 to $1,000 a month just to post and engage with their audience. The best part, you don't need a degree, you don't need experience. Learn the basics online for free, practice a little, then start pitching your services on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, or even just reaching out to local businesses. Part 4, the action plan. Okay, so how do you actually turn this into your first $10,000? Step 1, pick one skill. Don't try to do everything at once. Step 2, practice for a week. There are free tutorials everywhere. Step 3, create a simple portfolio, even if it's just 2 to 3 practice projects. Step 4, start pitching. Send 20 messages a day. Offer your first client a discount just to get experience. Step 5, deliver quality, then raise your prices. If you charge $300 per client and land just 4 clients a month, you're at $1,200. Keep at it for 8 to 9 months and boom, your first $10,000 as a student. Part 5, final motivation. Here's the bottom line. Making money is a skill. Once you learn it, no one can take it away from you. Your first $10,000 will be the hardest, but it will also be the most life-changing. After that, the ceiling only gets higher. So don't wait. Pick one skill, start today, and in a few months, you'll look back shocked at how far you've come. If this video gave you value, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and share this with a friend who needs to stop being broke and start making real money. This is Zenith AKS, your guide to money, growth, and freedom. See you in the next video.